Hi guys, once again you're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. Thank you for always stopping by. Guys, just take a look how a great meat pie should looks like. Can you see how it looks like? On this video guys, I'm going to be sharing my 15 years of experience doing meat pie with you. One thing I know how to do most or do best is this meat pie you are seeing. And also on this video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a little secret to a great meat pie. This pie that will keep you asking for more. You know there are some food you eat, you request for more. When it comes to meat pie guys, when you think I know how to do meat pie, I'm a master of a meat pie, when you eat mine, you will surrender and say yes. So just keep watching. The only thing you will do for me guys, please help me to share this video. Share in all your platforms, share the link. Doing enough meat pie guys does not really require over spices, putting of time, you can put time, putting of a curry and so many things. Just see for yourself. But share the video. Can you see? So I'm going to be using beef. This one is a 2 kilo. And this is 3 carrots. Onions, 3 potato. So this is what I'm going to be using for those 2 kilo you are saying. So the next thing I'm going to be doing guys, I'm going to peel the potato, the carrots, the onions. Okay, this video is a little bit long. I don't really want to rush it to be like 5 minutes, 6 minutes of video. The fact is that I have decided to show you how I make my meat pie. I really want to see every necessary point that I think is necessary for you. So do keep watching. Even as you are watching, please keep sharing the video right away. Please share the video. Share the video. Share the link in all your platform. If you have not yet subscribed, also do so. Share the link, guys. Help me to share this video. I know there's many of your friends that have asked so many questions. How to do meat pie? The answers have come. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to those channels, to this humble family, guys, what are you still waiting for? Guys, don't finish the video without subscribing. Please, with all humbleness, help your sister, your girl, subscribe, so that whenever I upload a new video, guys, you always be forced to be notified. I hope you are still watching. I hope you are watching how I'm doing the sliding, despite there's still explanation that is still going on. So guys, I will just go ahead and slice everything there. Can you see how the content looks like? Very unique. They are just equal size. But when you cut yours, even if it's not like that, it doesn't really matter. Okay. But when you are slicing it, make sure that they are not too big. It can be smaller. I think it's better than it's too big. Okay. And if you do it for the first time and you didn't get it, guys, just keep on, give it a try again. Okay. And maybe sometimes you are doing meat pie and at the end the meat pie looks so hard. You finish the meat pie, you break it, the meat pie is so hard. It's so hard because something is missing, guys. So I'm done with that. So this is the result of it now. I've already saved it. It's already on the filter. So this is the 2 kilo of grounded meat now that I've already transferred into a bowl. So this is the chopped onions. I'm going to be using 3 Maggi cube of seasoning, and this time this is only seasoning that meat pie require, guys. So this is a flour. I'll be adding waters to it. This is Maggi. So this flour now, I'll be adding waters to it to dissolve it. So I will also put it aside. You are going to see when I'm going to be adding it to it. I have watched so many meat pie whereby they add so many eggs, oil, so different kind of thing you cannot imagine, guys. No, meat pie does not require that. Meat pie does not really require that. So this is a bowl of water that is already boiled. The first thing I'm going to be doing, I will add a pinch of salt. I will take in the cut potatoes and all the rest into the same pot. I'll add a little onions, a little half of the Maggi. I will just stir. So I'm going to leave this one, guys, just like less than 5 minutes, not or 5 minutes. It's just for the potato not to really cook, but just to change the face, like it's not fresh again. When you taste it, you cannot eat it. It's still so crunchy because I'm still going to cook it. I'm going to bake it along with the meat pie. So can you see the level of oil, amount of oil I used? Less than 1 cooking spoon. Because I do these things always, sometimes I don't take measurement and I know the measurement that it goes. So I'll take in my blended meat to the same bowl, to the same pot, and I'll add in thyme and a little bit of salt again, very little. It does not really require too much salt. And I'll add this seasoning. Remember that seasoning, you also have a whole salt also. That is why when you are preparing this meat pie filling and you have too much salt, it will end up salting. It will abuse your meat pie. So once I have done, guys, I'll add this my potatoes and carrot that I have already prepared. I'm not going to add everything. This one I'm not going to add it so that it will not end up becoming a potatoes pie. I'll take that leftover aside. Can you see how it looks like now, guys? So if you look at it, the something is just standing on their own. In order for me to bind it together, that is why I will now bring the mixed flour. Can't you see there's a difference now? I will now use it to bind it. Can you see the down of the pot is like it's even burning a little bit? But you have to load the gas. Yeah, it's ready, guys. Our meat pie filling is ready. You are ready to go. Can you see we are doing a great job here? Okay. So this is a baking powder I'm going to be using. 5 level teaspoon. This is a milk in a small cup, not really too big, medium cup, and a little amount of water. And I'll also be adding a little pinch of salt and 2 eggs. And this here you also wash when I'm going to use it. And I need just 5 butters like this. And I will be doing 5 kilo of flour, 5 kilo. But at the ends, I may not use. At the end, I end up using 4 kilo. Okay, so I'm going to crack the egg, add a little bit of oil, then I whisk. I will go ahead and grease my pan with oil also, vegetable oil. Once I am done, guys, the next thing I'm going to mix the dough now. Taking my baking powder. Can you see the amount of salt I'm also adding? Can you see this one? This butter I'm using, guys, is with salt, 500 grams. 500 grams goes with 1 kilo of flour. Don't make a mistake by adding less or by adding more. Anything different from this, you will not get a perfect result. I know many people has that challenge of how many butter will I put? How many flour will I put? The answer have come to your question, guys. I hope you are still watching. I will first of all put the milk, but I will not put it once in case, so that it will not be too soft. So I mixed it a bit, then I added the left one to it. But I think it's still necessary, so I will finish it with water. And I'm not going to put the whole water once. Putting of water, I cannot really tell you. This is the actual amount of water you are going to put or milk you are going to put. You see the cup I used, it's just a medium cup. So the water I'm also going to be using is just a little. Are you getting it, guys? It's just a little. So other thing again, when you are mixing this, you must not really use too much strength. You must not mix for 30 minutes, because I've seen people mixing like that. When I'm mixing this one you are seeing, is less than 10 minutes, guys, I am done. When you mix it, don't mix it to the point that the dough will not become like chin chin. Mixing of chin chin and mixing of meat pie is different. Mixing of chin chin and meat hair grow is different. Mixing of meat pie and chin chin is different, and bread is different. I'm done, guys. Okay, I'm done. Can you see the water that is still left? I use just so little in addition to that milk. So once I am done, I'll put it aside. I'll leave it for about, you can leave it for 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or you can even do immediately. Doesn't really matter. But if you can leave it for at least 10 minutes, 10 minutes before starting, I think it is still better. Because when you do it for the first time, it look a little bit hard, So when you leave it for a few minutes, it make it becomes a little bit more softer. And if you miss it and it becomes so soft, when you are about to work on it now, guys, it will become so soft for you to work with. But if it's a little bit hard, when you want to work with it, it will become a little bit soft. Are you getting it? So all I just need to do now, I will spread my dough. I will spread it. So once I see that it's not too thick, can you see? I raise it. Can you see how it looks like? Once I see that it's okay, the next thing I will use my meat pie cutter. Guys, this meat pie cutter that you are seeing, I have used this meat pie cutter for 15 or more. Some people might ask, how come you have used this meat pie cutter up to 15 years or more? Yes. During my catering school, because I learned how to make meat pie in catering school. I went to catering school, I learned it there. And during my catering school, that is when I bought this meat pie cutter. I used it before I traveled to Europe. When I traveled to Europe, I saw that I could not find anyone like that here, and I requested for it. They should bring it. When I get to this place, I was not doing any other thing that I learned, but I keep on doing my meat pie because I'm so much in love with it. So that is why I have used this meat pie cutter for 15 years. In terms of greasing this meat pie, you can use water or milk. Sorry, you can use water or egg. Okay, so that when you close it like this, the mouth will be sealed. Okay, another thing again that I want to explain to you guys, maybe where you live, especially if you are not living in Nigeria, you are living in Upper Europe, you might, in case if you cannot lay your hands on this meat pie cutter you are seeing, you can use a cover of your pot. If I display that one here also, this video there will be extra like 5 minutes more, and I don't really want this video to be longer than this that I am saying, so I can't display it. So you use your meat pie cutter. You use your cover of pot. Okay, you just roll the dough, you use your cover of pot. So the next thing you are going to do, once you finish cutting, You use your fork. You first of all, you grease it, you put your fillet at the middle, you use your fork and seal it, the mat. It will give you the same result. If you give that one a try and you are not able to get it, let me know in my comment section, and I will also do how you can seal it with a cover or pot for you. Okay, so I believe the question I have received so far for make pie, this video will answer it. And I also believe that at the end of this video, or a time to come, you will come back and say thank you, because a great secret of meat pie has been revealed. I hope you enjoy what you are saying. Are you learning something, guys? If the answer is yes, don't wait to finish it. Guys, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Like the video. Share. Guys, since you have been watching it, have you shared for any of your friends that have been struggling for meat pie? Or maybe a friend you have visited? Can you see what I'm doing now? I'm not greasing it, okay, with the egg and a little bit of what is it called? Oil that I added to it. I greased it, so that one will give you the shiny part. Okay, so that comes to the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon again on my next video. Share the video. Bye bye.